So hey everybody, Happy New Year. I'm gonna do a giveaway. You know, I'd said once I reached 100 subscribers, I would do a giveaway. So I'm gonna do that. I was gonna do it in December, and then I got sick, and it kind of got pushed out. So let's go ahead and do this now. Now, I won't be posting this in any groups. I'm not going to talk about it on any shows. Somebody else may bring it up, but I'm not going to do it purposely. And that's because I want the people that subscribe to my channel, the people that has supported me, the people that's watched my stuff. I want somebody from that group to win, okay? I don't want to put it out there and then have people come subscribe to my channel just for a chance to win something. Okay, I want the people that's been here to be the ones who win. So if you all want to tell people about it, they can come subscribe. That's up to you all, but I'm not going to do it, okay? Once this video goes up, January 19th, Saturday, January 19th, I will do a live drawing. It's going to be in the morning before Fresh's show. I don't know what time it's going to be, but it'll be before Fresh goes on, okay? So Saturday the 19th before Fresh. You don't have to watch the video to win, but I want to do it live so everything's on the up and up. Now, in order to get in this, you have to be a subscriber to my channel, and you have to leave a comment underneath this video. Okay, so just leave a comment underneath the video, just whatever, just some kind of comment. And doing that under this video will enter you in the drawing, okay? So let's see what we're giving away here. Okay, first up, we're doing a Genie PD 270 box mod, okay? Brand new in the package. It is let's see if I can get this to focus here. Anyway, 234 watts. It's a dual 2700 batteries. It does have the 18650 adapters in here, so if you want to use 18650s, you can do that. So we got the Genie. Now, along with the Genie, you're going to get your choice of one of the following, okay? I have the drops. I have one in stainless steel and one in black. Okay, so you can have any of these RDAs, you get one of them. Okay, so you've got, so far we've got the drop in stainless or black. We have Vandy Vape's mesh RDA in stainless steel. You could choose a drop dead RDA in black. Okay, the drop dead is in black. Or I have the Mage RDA, and this is in copper. Okay, so the Mage RDA in copper. So you get your choice of one of those 5 RDAs. You get the Genie mod. I will put in there a set of coils. And this is open to anybody. Okay, I mean, if you're from Australia, England, wherever that you live, okay, as long as I can legally send it to you where you live, I will get these out in the mail to you. If for some reason the shipping is going to be astronomical, I may have you help me a little bit with the shipping. But I mean, if we're like $50 and under, I'll take care of it. Okay. So that's the deal. Like I said, just leave a comment uh, in the description below. You'll be entered January 19th, Saturday, January 19th. We'll do the drawing, and then the next time I'm home, we'll get it out in the mail to you. Okay. So, all right. Again, y'all, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching the videos. Once this is over with, share me around. I'd like to see some more subscribers. Obviously, I've got some more RDAs to give away at some point, and we'll figure that out. So until then, stay safe, keep on trucking, and of course, keep on vaping.